Yes mga kabalay, another day, another real estate video. Hi, I'm your Pinoy Kabalay, JM Balog, a licensed real estate salesperson from Desire Realty. Mga kabalay, nandito tayo ngayon sa may 13 Matres, Cavite, na kung saan ating pong i-represent for our property of the day, ang Golden Horizons Manor Subdivision. For today, ang ating pong itatampok na model unit ay ang ating Cecilia Single Attached. So ang ating pong Cecilia Single Attached ay may 96 square meter na lot area and may 54 po na floor area. 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, complete finished turnover. So halika po mga kabalay, samahan niyo po ako, isa-isahin natin ang ganda ng ating Cecilia Single Attached. Let's go!
Ako'y handang sumugal, magkita ka lang. Nasan ka ba, mahal? Hinahanap ka na ng puso ko. Baby, ikaw lang talaga ang namimiss ka sa tuwid-tuwid na. Sa tuwid-tuwid na. At baby, ako'y mag-aabang at dadalhin ka sa nakaraan. Sa nakaraan. Magkita lang tayo, please. Palagi ka namin miss.
Yes, that's the end of our quick house tour mga kabalay. Let's have a quick review. So, our property of the day is Golden Horizon, located in Hugo Perez, 13 Matres, Manila, 13 Matres, Cavite. One ride going to Manila. And of course, we are featuring our Cecilia model. This is single attached, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 2 car park, complete finished turnover. We have 96 lot area and 54 floor area. Saan ka pa? And this is available through Pag-ibig and bank financing. You have lots of option here mga kabalay. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? If we want to see this property personally, we can schedule a house viewing. Daily po yan, free. Or I can send you the full computation and the details of our property. Again, this is your Pinoy Kabalay, JM Balog from Desire Realty. Lagi nasasabi, kung naghahanap ng bahay, always choose Kabalay. Tara, kuha na dito sa may Golden Horizon, 13 Matres, Cavite.